That little device in your pocket at the moment? Believe it or not, it doesn't come close to a $3 Amazon discovery that recently saved me more than $200 on my last flight. Yep, airlines just despise when flyers find out these pocket tips. Why? Because each one silently cuts off a revenue source they depend on. Today, I'm sharing 16 amazingly small travel essentials from Amazon that make packing light easy without breaking the bank at every turn. And believe me, you're going to want to hang around until number 1. TSA officials literally come to a standstill when they lay eyes on it. But first, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss another cash-saving travel tip. Now, let's get started. Number 16. Antibacterial soap sheets. Imagine this. You're in a foreign bathroom, you grab soap, and it's gone. Most travelers freak out, but airlines don't care. They're too busy making money selling you exorbitantly priced sanitizers at duty-free stores. Enter these antibacterial soap sheets. 100 dissolvable sheets, packed smaller than your wallet. Just drop one into water, lather up, and boom, you're cleaner than the passengers in first class. And here's the kicker. They cost just $4 compared to the $8 hand sanitizers airports push on you. Pro tip: pack one in your front carry-on pocket. Unlike liquids, they slide through security without so much as a side eye. No mess, no delay, just immediate peace of mind. Soap sheets deal with sketchy restrooms, sure, but what do you do with those pesky packages and wrappings you can't open on the plane? That's where the next thing comes in. Number 15. Japanese mini scissors. Airports adore charging $25 just so you can bring a bag large enough to hold regular scissors. But old pros like us know better. We bring these TSA-allowed Japanese mini scissors. Don't be deceived by their size. These small blades cut through plastic packaging, paper, and even those stubborn snack wrappers that tear your fingernails. I've been on 6 flights with them, no confiscation. They're absolutely legit. And the sweetest part? They're so inconspicuous, they're in plain sight. Pro tip: attach them to the outside of your belt bag. Security notices them, nods, and waves you through with no fuss, and you'll never have to wrestle with recalcitrant airplane snacks again. But hold on, snacks are nice. What about protecting your valuables from vanishing in an instant? Number 14. Two-sided carabiner. Standard carabiners possess one terminal flaw. The instant you open them, half of your gear goes flying all over the place. And suitcase manufacturers? They're thrilled about it, because it pushes you toward their exorbitant secure options. But this two-way carabiner turns the tables. With locking gates at either end, your keys and accessories remain precisely where you've put them. No longer the cascade of chaos at airport security, or worse, on the deck of a cruise ship where friendly staff enjoy charging you to pick up what you've lost. Pro tip: use it as an impromptu zipper lock. Pickpockets detest it. That 2-chamber system saves you valuable time. Time to let them target someone less secure. You've secured your equipment, but there remains that one vulnerable area thieves love: zippers. Number 13. Theft deterrent zipper pull. Hotel workers will never warn you about this $3 trick because they'd prefer to lease you an overcharged safe. This zipper pull zipper joiner is a theft-protecting zipper pull that joins 2 zippers together, effectively making your bag a pain for potential thieves. Yes, it's not Fort Knox, but it makes a 2-second snatch a 30-second fight. And for most thieves, that delay is all it takes to retreat. Pro tip: opt for bold colors. When thieves can see an evident lock, they realize it will take them time, and that's the one thing they simply can't afford to lose. Delays annoy thieves, but wait until you observe what annoys airlines even more. Number 12. Genius luggage strap. Here's a sneaky airline secret they don't want you to know. They make personal item bags without trolley pass-throughs, so they'll always slide off your carry-on. That compels you to double bag or pay extra for overhead storage. This brilliant luggage strap revolutionizes everything. The elastic section holds onto your bag, forcing the stiff connector to lock securely onto your suitcase handle. Suddenly, juggling turns into rolling, and airlines miss an opportunity to upsell you on additional storage space. Tip: don't get scammed by cheap imitations. Without that stiff connector, luggage straps are essentially worthless. Avoiding bag fees is wonderful, but the following hack can keep your stuff safe and save you time and security. Number 11. Cable TSA lock. Swap those clunky TSA locks with a loud Search me for this cable variety. It is thin, discreet, and genius. It goes through several zippers at once and looks so unobtrusive that security scarcely glances at it twice. The combination dial is goodbye to cramped fingers and speeding past checkpoints. 4, 5, even 6 zippers? No issue, this cable threads through them all effortlessly. Pro tip: use your birth year as your code. When you're jet-lagged and barely awake, you'll be grateful for the familiar figures. Now your bag's secure tight, but the question is, will you remain fresh during infinite layovers and connections? Number 10. Perfume Atomizer. Airlines adore making you make a decision. Pack your signature scent and risk the TSA's liquid rule, or leave it at home and be ripped off at duty-free for triple the cost. No more. This refillable perfume atomizer allows you to pour your favorite fragrance into a TSA-friendly mini sprayer. Simply press your full-size bottle into the pump, and you're set to travel in style. No leaks, no trouble. Pro tip: its clean, unisex look prevents embarrassing questions at security. No one blinks, regardless of what you're packing. Freshness locked in, but how do you tote it all without TSA drama? Number 9. Waterproof Micro Container. Ever wonder how much hotels hate it when you forget your meds? Their pharmacy rates can be astronomical, but this waterproof micro container ensures that never happens. It's not only for pills though. Store emergency funds, small baubles, or even your smart ring prior to visiting the beach. Due to its multiple threads and rubber gasket, the seal is so secure that customs officials tend to look at it and think it's merely vitamins. Pro tip: try the paper towel test. Put one inside, immerse the container, and if it's bone dry when you take it out, you can rest assured your treasures will stay dry in any setting. Packing smart is essential, but keeping those teensy-weensy essentials dry and safe from water damage or loss, that's where the secret to traveling masterfully lies. Number 8. Magnetic AirPod Leash. Airlines make those tight seats for a reason, because they know you're going to lose something worth something. And when it's a $200 AirPod dropping from your foot, they're hoping you'll buy you a new one at sky-high catalog prices. These magnetic AirPod leashes put an end to that nightmare. Soft silicone construction won't stick to your clothes, but the built-in magnets hold both pods tightly together, even in turbulence. Pro tip: the magnetic clasp isn't just functional. It doubles as a satisfying little fidget gadget during long, boring flights. Because let's face it, losing one AirPod is frustrating. Losing both? That's brutal. But what if you could make sure all your tech stays right by your side? Express pause. Enjoying these little gems so far? Smash that like button to enable other travelers to find them, and subscribe for more savvy, elderly-approved hacks. Believe me, the next ones are that good even airline personnel secretly wish they could employ them. Number 7. Apple AirTag. A suitcase goes missing every 3 seconds, somewhere around the globe. Airlines wave it off with empty assurances. We're checking into it, while they pocket storage charges and delay you in the process. With an Apple AirTag, you have the upper hand at last. Live location data gives you the power. When the airline says your bag is in transit, but your tracker indicates it's in Chicago, you've got the victory in an instant. Pair it with a toughened keychain case that camouflages your tracker as a typical souvenir, but provides the drop protection Apple skipped. Pro tip: select cases that integrate with tourist trinkets at your destination. The less it resembles tech, the better it's protected. Now your devices are insured, but how do you ensure your entire suitcase never gets out of your eyes, even at the baggage claim mess? Number 6. Clip-on bag hanger. Restaurants and hotels don't care when your bag comes in contact with the floor, because each germ you collect will translate to more dollars spent on their outrageous remedies. But this clip-on bag hanger is a godsend. Durable construction, it's lasted almost a decade of regular use. It opens 2.8 inches wide enough to slip over restaurant tables, bathroom stall doors, or even shower curtains. That keeps your purse, backpack, or laptop bag raised, protected, and germ-free, while less fortunate travelers leave theirs on germ-covered floors. Pro tip: the silicone padding also prevents table scratches spinning you from those underhanded hotel damage fees. It is important to keep your equipment clean, but there are times when what you actually need is something to wipe out humiliating odors in seconds. Number 5. Pocket Poo-Pourri Travel Spray. Cruise cabins and budget hotels' bathrooms? Foregone ventilation is all but part of the blueprint. Why? Because they'd prefer you shelling out for expensive cabin upgrades with improved airflow. Enter Pocket Poo-Pourri. This tiny spray deploys an odor-trapping invisible oil barrier across the toilet water, so the smells are caught before they even get the chance to escape. The result? The bathroom smells nicer when you leave than when you entered. Instantly, you're the roommate everyone wants to be rooming with. Pro tip: spray twice before you go, not afterwards. Prevention always trumps damage control. Now your hands are germ-free, your bags are secure, and your bathroom confidence is through the roof. But how about your clothes? Number 4. Earth Breeze Laundry Sheets. Hotel laundry facilities are among the largest travel scams. $15 for each shirt, just because they figure you won't want to wear dirty shirts. But these Earth Breeze laundry sheets turn it around. Small, biodegradable, plastic-free, and multi-hyphenate, they transform any hotel sink into a washing machine. One sheet washes a full load of essentials and folds up smaller than a deck of cards. Clean clothes without the shame and without the charge. Tip: hotel sinks are ideal for this trick. Simply hang your laundry in a well-ventilated area to dry quicker. Talking about drying, hotels ensure there's no simple way to do so, taking clotheslines away to force you into their rental system. But that's where the next gadget excels. Number 3. Mini Tension Clothesline. Have you ever wondered why hotels generously provide you with towels and beach equipment on rent? It's because they've taken away clotheslines from all their rooms. The Mini Tension Clothesline restores that freedom. The size of a palm when folded, it uncoils to a strong clothesline with integral tension. No knots, no slippage, no hassle. Its bungee fabric conforms to any bathroom configuration and keeps clothes off the floor and takes up less space than your phone charger. Pro tip: throw it in the sink with your laundry. It's also washable. Clean clothes are wonderful, but how do you snack and drink on the run without relying on expensive food courts or in-room dining? Number 2. Snapfold Travel Bowl. Here's a genius solution. Airports and hotels charge exorbitant prices for food because they've subtly done away with free water fountains and prohibited external containers. But this foldable Snapfold Travel Bowl is the ultimate hack. It breezes past security, then transforms into your portable dish for cereal, snacks, or even an emergency water collector. And hotels? They hate it because you're no longer dependent on their overpriced room service bowls. Pro tip: go for darker colors. They hide stains better. Lesson learned the hard way in Japan. You've got food storage handled, but the final travel essential? That one protects something airlines fear losing more than anything else. Number 1. Alcohol wipes. That is the one airlines really dread. Forget delayed bags. What actually loses sleep for airline managers is the fear of customers who don't get ill on their flights. Why? Because airlines silently make money off sickness. Canceled flights, rebooking charges, and even in-flight medical diversions all amount to significant profit. And their cleaning crews? They are intended to appear exhaustive while leaving just sufficient contamination to continue that profit. That's why these healthcare-grade alcohol wipes are such a game changer. With the same formula hospitals use, they create a truly sterile bubble around your seat, something the airline's watered-down sanitizers will never do. Pro tip: always wipe down these 4 hotspots first: your tray table, armrests, seatbelt buckle, and air vent. Those are the germiest areas airlines never properly clean. And just like that, you're officially traveling smarter than 99% of passengers. The wrap-up: there you have it. 16 small but powerful Amazon discoveries that make packing lighter, traveling healthier, and flying easier. Each one whittles down the schemes airlines, hotels, and cruise ships use to nickel and dime you. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these devices are you packing in your bag first? Or do you have a secret travel gadget I didn't share? Leave your favorite hacks in the comments, and let's keep the Fly Smarter community ahead of the game. And if you enjoyed this list, don't move an inch, because next up, I'm exposing the 10 sneakiest airport scams that trick seniors. You don't want to fall into those traps. So hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, and as always, safe travels from all of us at Fly Smarter.